So I got the Magic Keyboard for the iPad in white, even though my iPad itself is space gray. Hopefully it'll still look good together. And this one is a little bit different because it's metal feeling. It's definitely a little bit heavier, but this is what it looks like on the outside. Ooh. Gosh, I thought it was something bad. I'm too dramatic. This is just like a piece of cardboard. Anyways, this is the new Magic Keyboard, the newest version in white. I like it. I'm happy with it. Now, the only thing I don't know is that, do I need a smart folio case in addition to this if I plan to like bring this around all the time? I don't know. It's magnetic. I didn't know that. You know, like, even though I went to the Apple store multiple times to try this out, I still didn't like understand how it works. I've literally never had an iPad in my life, so it works like this. So essentially I made myself another mini laptop, and then this is how thick it is when it's closed. It's still like, the keyboard makes this much heavier, I will say, but like maybe it's a little bit more than a pound, maybe even 2 pounds. I don't know, I still feel like it's a little bit lighter than my laptop. And then I had to get the Apple Pencil Pro. I didn't have to get it. I think the only difference with the Apple Pencil Pro is that it has like some new gesture features. Okay, so I got it engraved. So as you can see, I got the Apple Pencil Pro. I got my name engraved on it. Long story short, I'm very happy with my purchase. If you're on the fence about getting an iPad, I already can tell that I'm gonna be using this a lot. And I just feel like it's gonna be so much easier to do content on, because I don't really like editing on my phone. It kind of like gets on my nerves because I feel like I have my phone in my hand 24/7. And I don't know, just seeing it on a bigger screen is gonna be easier. And yeah, do the little engraving. It's cute. Can't see it right now, but it's fine. Anyways, bye.